Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I will be answering the most asked question that I get literally every other week on Instagram, on Facebook, on my YouTube comments, and that is, where do I thrift? What are the best thrift stores and all that jazz. So today I will be getting into that. I have literally filmed numerous vlogs where I take you guys thrifting with me, which I will link down below, as you would need them if you are going there by bus or even by car, as they would literally help you and explain exactly how you need to get there. So I will be mentioning my most favorite thrift stores. I won't be getting into all of them just because there are so much and this video would literally never end. But so my first most favorite charity shop or thrift store, call it whatever you want, is the one in Muscat. I filmed a lot of videos there, and basically what I really like about the thrift store is that they coordinate the clothes according to the size, and they also have changing rooms, something that not a lot of thrift stores locally have. And other than that, something that I really like is their large selection of books. They have a lot of books, and I've even got the Girl Boss book from there, which was only €1, and I literally had wanted it for so long, and it was in such a great condition. So I would literally recommend the MSPCA Mosta charity shop. So then the second favorite charity shop of mine is also an MSPCA charity shop, and it is the one in Slima. Now basically the best thing about this thrift store is that it has something which no other thrift store has in Malta, and that is it has an AC. So literally if you go thrifting in summer, you'd feel comfortable, you won't stick to your clothes, and you'd be very comfortable looking through without feeling rushed just because you're so hot. Now other than that, it also has changing rooms, and it also has the clothes divided according to the sizes, which is really time efficient because you literally don't waste any time if you're there in a rush, even though I don't recommend you going there in a rush. But I really recommend this place as well, just because of the AC mostly, apart from the variety of clothes and the fact that they have had a refurbishment lately. But yeah, that's definitely the second thrift store I would recommend. Now the third thrift store I would recommend you guys to go is the one in Marsa Scala. There is the Happy Paws charity shop in Marsa Scala. It is very close to that hotel. I forgot what its name is. I'll try to put it here if I remember. And yeah, I also have another video where I literally explain to you how to get there by bus. I will link it down below in the description box, every video I mention, just because you guys need that if you're going there by bus. And other than that, what I really like about this thrift store is the large variety of women clothes they have. They have literally a section for bags, a section for tops, a section for dresses. They also have changing rooms, which is great. And yeah, they also have a great selection of evening wear, like gowns. So I definitely recommend the Marsa Scala charity shop. Now the fourth way of thrifting I would recommend is carboot sales. So you don't only thrift when you go to a thrift store or to a charity shop. You thrift when you buy second hand for a good price. So going to a carboot sale is also thrifting, and I have found so many great things at carboot sales. I found bags, I found clothes. I can't even get to all of them at the moment. And there are some carboot sales, like one in Birgu and one in Ta'ali. And there are a ton of other carboot sales which I might not even know of. I know there's one in Gozo as well. Carboot sales are a great thing to thrift at, especially because you get things at such a low price. Most of the thrift stores we have locally are clothes based, and they don't really sell like homeware. But when you go to carboot sales, you literally find a lot of stuff which you can decorate your home with, like vintage mirrors, vintage. Now the fifth place I recommend you to go is at swap events. There are a ton of swap events, and if I'm being honest, I've also thought about doing one myself where we can all meet, you guys who watch me and other people who have a love for clothes. But due to the current situation, I had to put it at the back burner. But now I've literally thought about it again, and I think I'm gonna start planning it again. So swap events are literally an event where you take, for instance, 5 pieces of clothing and you give them to the person in charge of the clothes, and then once the time is up, you can go look at the other clothes which the other people have brought from their home, and you get, if you took 5 pieces of clothing, you can then take 5 pieces of clothing. So we've literally swapped your pieces of clothing for 5 other new ones. Yeah, I love swap events. They are literally the most sustainable and they are very environmentally friendly. Thrifting in all sorts is very environmentally friendly, but swapping is definitely environmentally friendly, and I totally recommend swap events. I've went to quite a few and I found quite a lot of stuff which I absolutely love. So that's the nicest thing of it, that you take clothes which you no longer find fitting and you swap them for nice new pieces of clothing. And like, you know, one man's trash is another man's treasure, so that's literally a swap event and a quote. The last way you can thrift is by using my website. So I have a website called Thrifted District Vintage where I post my own pre-owned clothes which I don't even wear anymore, or else things I've thrifted and want you guys to have, because some of you might have messaged me, try to find this or try to find that. And yeah, most of them are at a very good price. I have sales often and discount codes, and I'm soon going to have a big giveaway. Other than that, on my website I also post some reworked items. For instance, this reworked bag which was sold out the minute I posted it. I had 3 of it. I make it out of vintage Dior fabric, so that is another sustainable way of making new things with fabric which is already here, without having the need to make new fabrics which uses a lot of water and emits a lot of harmful gases. And yeah, it is literally so easy to purchase from the website, and you can pay via PayPal, Revolut, BOV mobile app. You can choose to pick it up yourself or even ask to have it delivered. So yeah, if you need anything, just message me on my Instagram and I will be very happy to help, or else you can even message on Thrifted District's Instagram as well. So that is all I have for you guys. I can film another video if you want where I mention more thrift stores. Don't forget to like this video if you want to see that. And yeah, there are just so many I could get into, but I don't want to make this video so long. But I post frequent thrifting related videos, so yeah, do stay tuned for a lot of vlogs, a lot of thrifting vlogs and new places, because I found new thrifting places locally in Malta. So do stay tuned for that, and I'll catch you guys on my next one. Don't forget to subscribe for more, and don't forget to press the notification bell if you want to be notified every time I post. And other than that, I'll catch you guys in my next one. Bye!